We need to find the percentage increase in the area of two triangles. Okay, let us say this triangle is there with you initially, right? And the side of this triangle is given to you as A, B, and C. Let's say, okay? And gradually this triangle, side of this triangle is doubled. When the side of this triangle is doubled, then this will lead to a bigger triangle whose side will be equal to 2A, 2B, and 2C, right? So definitely this will be the case, right? So if the initial sides were ABC, then it becomes 2A, 2B, and 2C, right? So in this case, when this triangle is changed to this, right, then the question is that what is the percentage increase in area of the both triangles. Okay, that means if the sides are changed from this to this, what is the percentage increase that we need to calculate, my dear friends, right? So here we can see into this question that yes, if both the triangles are having the sides A, B, C, then definitely by the formula we know that a semi-perimeter is for this triangle. Let us calculate the semi-perimeter for both the triangles. Okay, so semi-perimeter for this triangle, right, is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, isn't it? And semi-perimeter for the second triangle, let us say this will be, if this is triangle, I'm denoting this by triangle, area of this triangle by a small triangle, and area of the increased triangle with increased sides is delta dot, right? Then into this case, the semi-perimeter, let us assume for the second triangle is S dot, right? S dot can be given as sum of the sides, that means 2A, 2B, and 2C together. So that will be equal to 2A plus 2B plus 2C, right? Whole divided by 2, right? So this we can write it as, if 2 is taken as common from the numerator, then we will be having A plus B plus C whole divided by 2, whole divided by 2, right? And A plus B plus C whole divided by 2 is nothing but this perimeter. Let us say if A plus B plus C, if this one, if this one is S, right, then we can write that S dot is 2 times S, because A plus B plus C by 2 is nothing but this perimeter, semi perimeter of the first triangle, right? So we have a relation with us that S dot semi perimeter of the second triangle is equal to 2 times the semi perimeter of the first triangle, right, my dear friends? This is derived. This is derived, right? Now from here let us find out the area, otherwise you will not be able to find the percentage increase in area of both the triangles, right? So area of this triangle can be the area of this triangle denoted with this one is equal to, you know the heroes, it S times S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C, isn't it? This is the area of the first triangle when the side were normal ABC. Now, when the sides were doubled, 2A, 2B, 2C, Then what is this area? This one, delta dot. Delta dot is the area of the second triangle. I'm just making a demarcation so that you can understand. So delta dot, area of the second triangle with increased sides, will be equal to, same, apply here once again, then it will be equal to S dot, semi perimeter of the second triangle, multiplied with S dot minus side of the triangle, that is 2A. One of the side multiplied by S dot minus second side will be subtracted, that is 2B, right, multiplied with S dot minus, tell me, 2C, right, you are right, 2C, right, and whole under root. So this will give you the area of the second. Hi Pranav Sharma. So here this is the area of the triangle for the increased side. Now what we can do, we can see S dot is equal to 2 times S, that we already derived. We will see the cosine rule into the trigonometry class, my dear friend. Okay, let us try to conclude this question first. Okay. Now from here, delta dot, that is area of the second triangle, can be written as, if you replace S dot with 2S using this formula, using this derivation what we already derived, that is in place of S that we can write 2 times S, right? So write here 2 times S instead of this S dot, write 2 times S, right, multiplied with, yes my dear friend, multiplied with 2S minus 2A, right, this multiplied with, instead of this S dot, write again 2S, so this will be 2S minus 2B, right, multiplied with 2S minus 2C, and whole is under the root, whole is under the root, this whole thing is under the root, right? Now from here what we can do, you can take 2 as common, so from this 2S you can write 2 and just write maybe S over here, right, just keep a space. Why I'm saying it, because you from 2S minus 2A you can bring 1 2 out of it, 1 2 can be bring out of it, right? So this can be written as multiplied with 2, and then we are left with, from the first bracket we are left with S minus A, so this multiplied with S minus A. Now go to the second bracket, 2S minus 2B under the root. So here also you can see 2 can be taken as common, right? So just write this 2 over here again. So we have 3 times 2 over here, and similarly the 2 from the third bracket, okay, that is 2S minus 2C. So again a 2 will be there, right? So 2 from this bracket, 2 from this bracket, 2 from this bracket, from all these 3 brackets 2 is taken as common, right? And we have 2 already there from the 2S, so we have 4 times 2 over here, and we are left with S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So let me write multiplied with S minus A, multiplied with S minus B, multiplied with S minus C, right? Is it okay? Now from here we can see that yes, 2 2 2 2, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, root over of 16 is nothing but root over of, let me write it over here one step more, 16 into S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, right? So from here you can see this 16 is there, so you can take out from here the value of this triangle dot, that is area of the triangle with enhanced sizes is root 16 is 4 times, and inside the root we are left with s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, right? Hope your mind is, you are intelligent enough to understand that yes, s into s minus b, s into s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c is nothing but area of the smaller triangle, right? And this is the same thing. This is the same thing over here. You can just see s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, here and there both places same, right? So this can be written as, from here we can write that yes, delta dot area of the triangle with enhanced size is equal to 4 times the area of the smaller triangle or the initial triangle, this one, right? So we just substituted it, right? Now we need to calculate the percentage increase in area. So for the percentage increase in area, percentage increase in area is basically change the delta divided by the initial values, that is the initial area, right, into 100%. This is the result. Now what is the change in area? Change in area is nothing but area of the bigger triangle, right? So we can write bigger triangle over here. This is bigger triangle, this one. Four times delta. 4 times the orange delta. Orange delta is the area of the smaller triangle. Minus, this is delta. What are the values of these two delta? You know. What's that? The bigger one is the area of the bigger triangle, and the orange one, the green one is the area of the bigger triangle, bigger triangle, and orange one is the area of the smaller triangle, right? So divided by this delta multiplied with, keep all this into bracket, multiplied with 100%. This will give you the percentage change in area. So from here, instead of delta dot, we can write 4 times delta, right? Because this is a relation which is derived. Area of the bigger triangle is equal to 4 times the area of a smaller triangle, right? Mind it. This we already derived, right? What it reflects, that area of triangle, bigger triangle with sides 2a, 2b and 2c, right? With sides 2a, 2b and 2c, right, is equal to 4 times the area of the triangle with the side ABC. Area of triangle with sides A, B, C. This is the derivation. Area of the triangle with sides 2A, 2B, 2C is equal to 4 times the area of triangle with sides ABC, right? This is reflecting delta dot equal to 4 times delta. This reflects that what we proved, that area of the triangle with sides 2A, 2B, 2C is equal to 4 times the area of the triangle with the sides ABC, right? These are the two triangles, right? This is the orange one and this is the green one, my dear friend, right? So delta dot can be written as 4 times delta, right? So this can be written as 4 times delta minus this delta divided by delta into 100%, right? Instead of this green delta, that means area of the bigger triangle equal to 4 times the area of the smaller triangle. This is the, from this derivation, we replace this delta, this one, right? And this give you 4 delta minus delta will give you 3 times delta divided by delta multiplied with 100%. So 3 delta and delta, you can see this delta will be cancelled and we are left with 3 into 100%. So our answer is there. 300% is the percentage change in or percentage increase in area when the sides of the triangle are changed from ABC to 2A, 2B, 2C. That means, let me reframe my statement. When the sides of the triangle were doubled, then the percentage increase in area will be 300%, my dear friend. Right? In this way, we have solved this question. And if you like, you can like and just follow me and just be connected. Hi, Kailash. Good morning. Good morning, my dear friend. And yes, I seen your question that yes, for the classes in the evening time, Kailash, right? So I'm very, I should not say directly, but yes, I'm not feeling good to say you that in the evening, my dear friend, I'm very much occupied and I have no time, my dear friend. Okay. So basically in the morning time, I am trying to come up into the live sessions, Kailash. Okay. So I'm very sorry for that, but yes, uh, just be connected and I will generally come into the morning time, generally from 6 to 8, but whenever I'm getting time, I'm coming. Okay. So, so sorry to disappoint you, my dear friend. Okay, because in the evening 6 to 8, it's really very much, I'm very much occupied. Okay, so that's why I'm not able to take the class into the evening time. Okay, so let us do this question. This is a very good question, which I thought to brought it up in front of you. Actually, through my channel, Pronoun trigonometry, sine rule and cosine rule. Okay. So let me come up into the tomorrow class, my dear friend Pranav. Hope you understand. So I'm just, why I bring out this session in front of you, I'm explaining, my dear friends, that into the YouTube I got a more than 1,000 times this question is searched. Okay, more than 1,000 times. Though my channel is not that much of popular, okay, it's only due to you friends we are connected together and we are just coming up and we are having a platform to get connected. Okay, but this question is even suited more than 1K times. Okay, so this is one of the good view questions through the YouTube, and I know that many of our students are searching this question. Okay, so that's why I thought to come up with the live session of this. Though I just you can see the source into my channel, I have just uploaded around 2 year back. Okay, so but yes, the explanation, I think I just try to explain it very clearly, and into the 1 minute of shorts it's very difficult to explain in such a elaborated way, right? But I think whatever I'm trying to help and be with you, I'm trying to explain in details so that everyone can understand. Even when you are starting from today, you'll be able to understand what is the basic minimum necessity. I'm just expecting that. Yeah. Yes, Parno, perfectly fine. For any scalene triangle where all the sides are different, measurement are different, that's why we have chosen ABC. For any scalene triangle, this is a very powerful formula. Perfectly fine, Parno. You got it. So that's why, since this question is suited more than 1,000 times into my channel till today, okay? So that's why I brought this question over here, right? So I think it may help many of the students like you or whoever are searching through the YouTube or many of the social media connections, right? So that's why, sir, please make fixed time at morning. Yeah, Kailas, I will try to fix it soon. Okay, I will try to fix it. Okay, I want also some liberty from your side, your side, my dear friends, so that multiple things are happening. So yes, thanks. Will definitely come up. I will not disappoint you this time. Sure. So why I brought this question in front of you and how the steps have been sorted out and how the things happening over here, I think you can understand, right? For any query, don't hesitate to put up into the chat box. Yes, some students are there. I think who are as per now is asking for the trigonometry now. So definitely it's very difficult to align the time as of now, but yes, for sine rule, cosine rule, okay, I will come up with the next session, sure. You are facing problem in this question, Pranav Sharma. What is the question? Sir, in triangle side measure 12, 14, and angle between this both side is a and a. So we will be using sine and cosine rule to solve this question, right? Let us join together to the next class, okay? Triangle chapter. Okay, Kailash Parikh. So we will come up with the triangle chapter. Okay. So sure. Point taken. Whatever you are just mentioning, na, I am just making a note of it. Okay. I am making a note of it because when the live session is off, okay, then definitely these things are all these chat are lost to me also, right? So tomorrow morning, Kailash, tomorrow morning, and if possible, I will take in the night today also, right? Yeah, Pranav, sure. Integration and differentiation also. Okay. But at a moment simultaneously we could not take all the things together. But yes, you can visit through the channel and through my playlist. You can see some selected questions. You can go through that, right? It all depends upon till JEE main or advanced. Okay, it depends per now. Okay, I'm trying to just pick up from the very initial level. Okay, so it all depends. Many questions are there from the JEE into my channel. Okay, but it doesn't mean that 100% of questions are aligned with JEE curriculum. Okay, to be very frank. Yeah, per now. Tomorrow morning we will take this, right? Generally in the morning time I am coming. Thank you for being connected, my dear friend. I think we are going to be around 20, it's 24 minutes almost, 23 minutes, 46, 47, 48 seconds. So thank you for being connected. Thank you for your time. And I hope this question will help some of my dear friends, some of my colleagues, friends, students, anyone, then this will be giving very much good feeling to me if it help any one of you, right? Exact time, Kailash, you are asking. Let us say tomorrow, maybe 8 o'clock. Is it okay? And if I will finish all my things on time, maybe. But for you, it's definitely tomorrow 8 o'clock. Perfectly. Fine, Kailash. Thank you, Pranav. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you for being connected. Pranav is writing, sir, I can find area by taking perpendicular bisector and find area of each triangle and add up. So you are Thank you, Kailash. So Pranav, this is a question to me, or you are asking? I want to understand. You can find the area. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. So we can find the area of a triangle by taking the perpendicular bisector. Yes, sure. We will take up your question. Sure. So let us wind up this session, my dear friends. Thank you for being connected. Thank you for your time. Let us associate together. See you again into the next class. Take care. Bye bye, my dear friends. Bye bye.